Seamless just completely changed the game for sales automation, and if you're still sleeping on this tool, this video is going to wake you up. We're breaking down every feature, why it works, and exactly why this has become the #1 AI sales software on the market. Whether you're a solopreneur or you're scaling a full sales team, this video is for you. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for AI sales tips, outbound strategies, and everything you need to grow your pipeline faster. So the biggest problem most salespeople face is they spend 50 to 70% of their day not actually selling, right? You're digging through LinkedIn, guessing email formats, paying for databases that are 6 months out of date, and calling numbers that go nowhere. So by the time you reach a real person, half your day is gone. Now, we believe that's not a motivation problem. It's actually most likely a data problem. And it doesn't matter if you're solo or you're running a team of 50. You cannot close people you can't reach. So here's where Seamless comes in. Seamless is your #1 AI-powered platform for finding verified contact information and scaling your pipeline. Our software uses AI to pull you anyone's phone number. We're talking business email addresses and information from anywhere in the world instantly. And Seamless has access to 1.8 billion plus verified business emails, 414 million plus direct dial phone numbers, and over 100 live data points per contact. And guess what? It's all verified for you in real time the moment that you search. We are so confident in the data that we back it with 100% credit back protection. So if you have an email that's invalid, we automatically refund your credit, no forms and no questions asked. And we've got the numbers to back it up. 2 billion leads researched, 45 million appointments held, 9 million deals won, and 91 billion in revenue generated. One customer closed nearly $500,000 from the free trial alone. And you might be thinking, well, what separates Seamless from competitors you've heard of? First, it's simple, and that's our data is just the most accurate and easiest to use because it all centers around the data engine. So the foundation of the platform is the data engine, and it's built around 5 features. First, you've got your prospector. This is your real-time content search engine. Type in who you're looking for, and Seamless builds you a verified list instantly. You want 300 CMOs at e-commerce brands doing over 5 million in revenue? Done in minutes, not hours. Then you have buyer intent. This shows you which companies are actively researching solutions like yours right now. So instead of cold calling someone who's never heard of your category, you're researching someone who's already in buying mode. And we all know that's a completely different conversation. Third, we have job change filters. Now, this feature helps you to identify recent job and role changes so you can see promotions and new hires. Now think about what that means. Every new job equals new budgets and more opportunities for you to sell your prospects. Our CRM Enrich helps fill in missing data across your entire CRM and any list you have. So if you have 5,000 contacts in Salesforce with outdated titles and dead emails, a trade show list, or just need more insights on your current prospects and customers, Enrich is here for you. This alone separates Seamless from competitors who serve broken, stale data that drains your reps before they even pick up the phone. Then we have Pitch Intelligence. Now this surfaces relevant context before every outreach. Think funding rounds, recent news, tech stack, hiring trends. So instead of sending a generic cold email, your rep now knows the company just raised a Series B and is actively replacing a competitor's tool. That first message, well, it's now hitting completely differently, right? But recently, Seamless has taken its AI tools to a completely new level by having everything you need for follow-up all in one platform. So now you never have to open up another app or a tab again. Another new feature our customers are raving about is how we simplify the entire platform with our new natural language feature. This simplifies your entire sales process because now you no longer have to use the drop-down features or the filters. They're still there as an option, but now instead, you can just type in exactly who you're looking for and hit search, much like the ease of ChatGPT and Claude. So think about this. Here's an example. You're selling payroll software and you want HR directors at manufacturing companies with 100 to 500 employees in Nashville, Tennessee. You can type it, click search, and boom, direct contact within seconds. What elevates this entire process is our engagement hub, which means you have everything you need all in one place, from search to verify to sending your email sequences. So finding the contact is step 1. Researching them and starting a real conversation is step 2. That is what the Engagement Hub is built for, and this is where Seamless truly becomes an all-in-one platform. Automatic email sequence campaigns within Seamless now lets you build and run automated personalized email sequences directly in Seamless in bulk, so there's no separate email tool needed. You can build the campaign once, have each email personalized at scale, set the timing, and it runs on autopilot while you focus on the replies coming in. You can automate these follow-up sequences by phone and run tasks for social selling, so every message, every follow-up, and every touch point from email, phone, and social touches can now be tracked all in one place. Connect is the command center that just ties it all together. AI prioritization tells your reps exactly who to contact next based on real engagement signals. If a prospect opens your email 3 times in 24 hours without replying, your rep knows it's time to follow up with a call. There's no guessing who is warm. So think about it. With this new Connect feature, you can use AI to build your entire email campaigns. So you build and automate entire outbound campaigns without ever leaving the platform. You can create multi-step sequences that combine emails, calls, social outreach, and follow-up tasks, all while leveraging AI to personalize your messaging. Because it's built directly into the app, your prospecting, outreach, and relationship management happens all in one place, which means your team is moving faster, they're staying organized, and they're booking more meetings. Integrations also connect Seamless natively to your CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Outreach, Dynamics, and more. With Zapier, you can connect to over 6,000 additional tools and platforms for even more flexibility. So you're not replacing your existing stack. Seamless plugs you into it and the data flows automatically. Now, the automation network is how everything connects and runs at scale inside your existing workflow. The AI assistant lets you take action just by typing a request. Pull a prospect list, summarize a company before a call, launch a campaign, it executes immediately. MCPs connect Seamless data directly to your AI tools, so everything runs off the same verified real-time information. Connectors are pre-built integrations with your core sales and marketing platforms, so there's no custom development. Connect your CRM sequencer and the dialer and the data flows automatically. The API gives technical teams full access to build custom automations and workflows on top of Seamless data. Bulk credits also let you pull high volumes of verified contacts at once without hitting bottlenecks when you're running large campaigns. Autopilot runs entire workflows end-to-end without manual triggers. Some new features coming soon include our AI agents. AI agents aren't chatbots, and they're not pulling old, outdated information like its competitors. They're automated systems that take real actions without you having to trigger each one. So coming up is going to be our outbound agent, which monitors buying signals and automatically launches targeted outbound campaigns when the right conditions are met. Set your ideal customer profile and messaging once, and it runs continuously in the background. For a solopreneur, it's like having a full-time SDR work around the clock. For a sales team, it means your reps wake up every morning with warm conversations already started. The inbound agent responds instantly when someone visits your site, fills out a form, or downloads your contact. Most companies lose inbound leads simply because follow-up takes too long. This agent will close that gap automatically every single time. Coming soon is also the Ops agent, which keeps your CRM clean, enriches missing data automatically, and triggers outbound when a contact matches your ideal customer profile. So there's no manual cleanup and no human intervention needed. The marketing agent will turn engagement signals into active outbound campaigns. So if someone attends your webinar or engages with your content, your marketing agent will automatically launch a personalized outreach sequence. The customer success agent will monitor existing customers for churn signals, reduce usage, a contact who changed roles, a renewal approaching without engagement, and proactively reaches out before it becomes a problem. Retention is revenue, and this agent is going to protect it. The recruiting agent will use the same prospecting engine to find and reach candidates at scale. So if you're building a team, it works exactly the same as the outbound agent when it finds buyers. Targeted, verified, and automated. So you can see the new features at Seamless just took sales automation to a completely new level. So now we're going to walk you through step by step on how to use the platform in this tutorial next. Click the link below to download Seamless for free and watch this step-by-step tutorial on how to exactly use the platform and take advantage of all these new features. We'll see you in the next one.